Congratulations on hitting 100,000 miles, but this badge is a loud warning shot that the honeymoon phase is officially over. The days of cheap oil changes are gone, and major wear components are now engineered to fail. Welcome to the High Mileage Playbook, where we look at what breaks first and how to save your wallet. The first critical failure point you need to inspect is your ignition system, specifically the factory spark plugs. These original plugs have fired millions of times and are completely worn out. Ignoring them ruins your gas mileage, makes the engine shudder, and forces the system to work harder, eventually destroying your expensive ignition coils next. The second major system reaching the end of its lifespan is your vehicle's suspension. Your original factory shocks and struts have absorbed thousands of impacts, and the internal seals are likely leaking hydraulic fluid. If your car bounces down the highway or dives hard when braking, the suspension is blown, ruining your tires and making the vehicle unsafe. The silent killer lurking under the hood of every high-mileage vehicle is brittle rubber gaskets and plastic seals. Years of extreme engine heat turn soft rubber into fragile plastic. A minor oil seep at the valve cover turns into a massive puddle very quickly at this mileage, completely starving the motor and destroying the engine block. Hitting 100,000 miles is your ultimate inspection point, demanding a complete shift in how you maintain your vehicle. You can no longer treat this car like it is brand new or wait for a warning light. Grab a bright flashlight, look deep into the engine bay, and actively hunt for the early signs of failure. Spend a little money on replacing your spark plugs and completing a comprehensive mechanical check right now. Investing in basic preventative maintenance today is the only way to stop a catastrophic engine failure later down the road. Learn your specific vehicle, stay ahead of the schedule, and your car will carry you toward the next milestone.